Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are in place: Flutter SDK, an IDE, and at least one emulator or device. Run Flutter Doctor to fix obvious issues. Do this now so you avoid wasted time. Once done, create a new app with Flutter Create My App and open that folder in your IDE. Make sure to set your path so Flutter commands work globally. This is the foundation, and getting it right prevents environment problems later in the build and run process. Next, you build the app structure and configure platform settings. Edit lib/main. Dart and choose stateful widget for dynamic screens or stateless widget for simple UI. This controls state management and performance. Configure Android and iOS manifests for package names, signing, and permissions so builds succeed on devices. Add dependencies in PubSpec. YAML and Run Flutter Pub get to fetch them. Once dependencies load, refactor code and test iteratively on an emulator. This helps catch runtime issues before. Finally, you prepare and verify the app for deployment. Run Flutter Run to test on a connected device, then produce release artifacts with Flutter Build App or Flutter Build IPA. Make sure to test on multiple screen sizes and profile performance to remove jank. If something fails, check device logs with Flutter logs or rerun the failing command with verbose to see detailed output. This usually reveals missing permissions, signing problems, or dependency conflicts. Fix the root cause, rebuild, and redeploy when green.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.